Knocking and its mechanism in petrol engine. Definition: rattling noise or unpleasant sound produced in IC engine of automobiles due to explosive combustion of fuel and air mixture is called knocking. That means when the impurities are present in the fuel during the combustion of that fuel produces a bad sound in the IC engine of automobiles. That bad sound is called knocking. Mechanism of knocking. So what are the reactions involved in knocking? How the knocking takes place? In a petrol engine, the efficiency depends on the compression ratio. Compression ratio is the volume of fuel air mixture in the cylinder at the suction stroke to the volume of fuel air mixture in the cylinder at the compression stroke. Now what is meant by volume of fuel air mixture in the cylinder at the suction stroke? See, when we start the vehicle, the fuel air mixture is taken inside the cylinder by the downward momentum of the piston plug. The volume of fuel air mixture at this point is called volume of fuel air mixture at the suction stroke. Now, the upward momentum of the piston plug will take place and this will compress the fuel air mixture. At this point after the compression, the volume of fuel air mixture is called volume of fuel air mixture at the compression stroke. Now the spark is initiated from the spark plug, and this spark plug causes the combustion of the fuel air mixture present nearer to the spark plug and produces a flame front. So this flame front moves at optimum speed if the quality of the fuel is good. So thereby the remaining fuel mixture burns smoothly and produces the smooth power production. Energy is produced very smoothly and there is no knocking if the quality of the fuel is good. If the quality of the fuel is not good, if it is impure, then the flame front moves slowly in the cylinder. Due to this, remaining unburnt fuel mixture gets heated up beyond its ignition temperature and causes explosive combustion, which is also called pre-ignition, and produces many additional compounds. When there is no impurity in the fuel, under normal combustion, the one of the hydrocarbon ethane present in the petrol produces carbon dioxide and water. Same ethane, when impurity is present in the petrol, it undergoes explosive combustion and produces first unstable peroxides. So this dimethyl peroxide, it is very unstable and it gives rise to chain reaction. This dimethyl peroxide, first it gives acetaldehyde CH3CHO and H2O, and this acetaldehyde further undergoes combustion and it gives formaldehyde HCHO, carbon dioxide and water. This H2HO after combustion it gives water and carbon dioxide. So when there is no impurity in the fuel, the optimum diffusion of the flame front produces smooth combustion giving only carbon dioxide and water. When there is a impurity in the fuel, the flame front moves very slowly and gives rise to explosive combustion producing all these additional compounds. So all these additional compounds formed inside the IC engine increases the pressure and produces pressure waves. The collision of these pressure waves with the walls of the IC engine causes knocking. Now, what are the ill effects of knocking? Knocking causes the following ill effects. It produces undesirable rattling sound. The sound produced from the knocking is very bad to listen. It causes noise pollution. It decreases the efficiency of the engine and power output. For 1 liter of petrol, you may expect 40 kilometers mileage, but it decreases to 30 kilometers. Increases fuel consumption. For 60 kilometers of traveling, you may put 2 liters of petrol if the knocking is more. It causes the mechanical damage to engine parts. Due to the continuous collision of the waves produced from the knocking, the life of the FC engine decreases. The driving becomes rather unpleasant. So due to noise pollution produced from the knocking, driving becomes very irritating. Prevention of knocking. Knocking can be prevented by using certain chemical substances called anti-knocking agents. In these anti-knocking agents, there are two types. Petrol, which contains lead compounds as anti-knocking agent, is called lead petrol. Petrol, which does not contain lead compounds as anti-knocking agent, is called unleaded petrol. Now, how the petrol containing lead compounds as anti-knocking agent, it will prevent knocking. Usually, tetraethyl lead or tetramethyl lead is used as a anti-knocking agent in lead petrol. So this tetraethyl lead or tetramethyl lead produces lead oxide particles. These lead oxide particles reacts with unstable peroxides, and these unstable peroxides are responsible for chain reaction. When the chain reaction is controlled, the formation of the additional compounds can be prevented. These additional compounds are responsible for the production of the pressure waves. Hence, we can control the knocking. But the lead compounds which are used as anti-knocking agent in petrol, they're having certain disadvantages. These disadvantages are, after the combustion, the lead is deposited as lead oxide on the piston and engine valves. It leads to mechanical damage due to the continuous deposition of lead oxide on the engine walls of the IC engine, causes the damage to the IC engine. And lead is poisonous air pollutant. If it is released into the atmosphere and its concentration increases, it causes brain hemorrhage. Lead containing anti-knocking agents are extremely damaging to the environment, so it is advisable not to use the lead petrol and to use the unleaded petrol like methyl tertiary butyl ether. At present, completely lead petrol is banned in the entire world, and we are using only unleaded petrol. Now, what is meant by unleaded petrol? The petrol which contains anti-knocking agents other than lead is known as unleaded petrol. And which chemical substance is used as an anti-knocking agent in unleaded petrol? It is methyl tertiary butyl ether, also called as MTBE. This chemical substance is used in the petrol for preventing knocking. Now, how it will control knocking? It acts as an anti-knocking agent and which contains oxygen in the form of ether groups. It has a ether group, and the ether group representation is ROR dash. Two alkyl groups are joined by oxygen atom. The oxygen atom supplied by the ether group of the methyl tertiary butyl ether. It helps for the complete combustion of the petrol in the IC engine. Thus, it will decrease the formation of peroxy compounds. These peroxy compounds are responsible for chain reaction. When there is no peroxy compounds, chain reaction will not take place, and additional compounds will not be produced, pressure waves will not be created, and knocking can be controlled.